Start.
Alright, so guys, my name's Xavier, and today we're gonna do a oil change on a Chrysler 300. It ain't a V8, but it's a 300. So we got stuff right here. We know all this stuff. Right now, I'm about to go into the car and fucking get the oil out. Clean this real quick. So it's gonna keep all your stuff clean and well organized too. It's out there on here. And this off too. This is for dirty oil, but still. Alright. Pretty sure Louisiana is like fucking 10 for these oil changes. 10. Where's the 10? Let me see. So for the oil change, like newer cars are always gonna have like this plastic cap on. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 10 mils on there. Look, I'll show you guys. So I got the right here. See, it's a 10 mil. So yeah, we're gonna get them out right now. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. See. Get the other. Fuck, I don't know if I'm tightening it or not. I think I'm tightening it. Oh shit, I think my shit broken. Oh, there we go. Okay, so you just get these off, and then I'll show you guys once I have them off right now. Alright, so I just got the plastic thing off. I don't even know what's it called. The cover. I just got the plastic cover off. And the thing is right there. It was pretty easy. It was just fucking 4 bolts. Hell easy. They were not even hard to tighten or nothing. You can't even tighten them because it's fucking plastic. So yeah, and then so here's the oil cap. This is where you're gonna take the bolt. You're gonna take this off so you can get the oil out. To be honest, I forgot what fucking bolt it is. So I think it's this one because I used it last time, I think. But it looks too big, but fuck it, we'll try it. Oh no, I think it's this one, actually. This is a 13. Yeah, it's a 13. You guys see that? All right, so put it on the wrench. And all right, I'm gonna set up. I'm gonna get the oil catch can. I'm gonna put it under here. Scoot the fucking blanket. It's not even a blanket, but just because the ground's all fucked up, I don't want to get it scraped and shit. So yeah, I'm gonna just set up real quick, and then I'll show you guys once I'm about to take the bolt off. All right, so I'm back. Now I'm gonna get this fucking. Now I'm gonna get it out. Let's see, if I can't do it with 2 hands. There we go. All I did was loosen it. Oh shit, I didn't loosen it more, but just get like loose and then do it with your hand. That's what I just use my hand. Make sure I got it in the right spot. Cause the flow be pretty heavy, so. and just catch the fucking bolt. Here's the bolt. There's the oil running. It always runs pretty fucking fast here, so it's okay. It's okay if I get a little dirty. I mean, I got paper towels, so I'll clean it right now. Oh shit, I just noticed it's dripping there. There we go. So yeah, let me clean up real quick and then we'll finish the oil drain. Alright, so I'm just finishing up letting the oil drain in the bottom. I'm gonna do the oil filter. That's just in the top, so it should be pretty easy. That shit is literally right there. And let me wait. What was this one? Alright, so I got the socket and I don't have an extended wrench, so I'm gonna just use my fucking torque wrench to take the oil filter off. So if you come here, so for the socket I'm using a 1-inch. If it's kind of big, but I mean it's the plastic, so I'll just have to do it. And plus for oil filters, like you never have to tighten it up like too much, you just hand tighten it. So that's my day, I hand tightened it, so it's pretty, you'll get it off. So the oil filter for this car, for the 300, the 3.6 liter, this oil filter is gonna be right here. So I'm gonna take it off right now. The socket I'm using is gonna be a 1-inch. So how I said, if it's kind of big, but it'll take it out. So right here, it's turning. See, it's coming out. It's not that much space in here, but it does the job. And the car's pretty hot right now too, so. So yeah, there we go. We're getting the filter out. See, the good thing about cars like this, when they're like this, when they're on the top, like oil doesn't really fall. So and then we'll obviously like get the filter out. Oh, it's pretty hot. There we go. It's already dirty, so it don't matter. And then you're gonna get the fucking ring out. It all comes when you get the fucking right here with the new filter. Here's the new filter. Here's the O-ring. We'll get it out right now. We'll just clean it out a bit. I'm drying it so I can get the O-ring out. See? Got it out. And get the new one in. So for the O-ring, you just put it between the gap that's right here in the bottom. What I do, I just hold it with my finger and then I stretch it out all around. And that's how you get the O-ring in. For the filter, there's a like clip on. Just clip it on, there we go. And it's on there. So, alright, so this is the old one. I got the new one right here. See how dirty it is, all black. It was only, we did the oil change at 6K. So it's not that like bad, but like it needed the oil change. So yeah, so then after, you're also gonna want to get some, let me see. Watch open the new oil filter, the new oil. So I did my finger in there. Get some oil around the O-ring, just so when you tighten it, it won't get stuck on the cap over there. I don't know what the fuck it's called. It's screwed in. So yeah. Then we put it back. Obviously, we're right where it was at. Some oil was dropped. It's cool. We'll clean it up right now. fucking random ass cat. Just came and fucking chill. So we're gonna tighten it back up. Remember, it's just gonna be hand tightening. You're gonna have to tighten it too much. So literally you'll feel like where it gets tight. And then that's where you're gonna leave it. Alright, so yeah, just keep screwing it. So right here it's starting to feel tight. Right here. Literally, that's as much as you need to do. You don't need to make it more tight. Like, look. There you go. That's all you have to get it tight on. Let me just clean some oil that I had dropped here from the oil cap. I always like to keep my work clean, you know. It makes everything easier and just better. Should be good. You know. Alright, so in the bottom I'm gonna put the bowl back in the oil cap. So it's right here. The oil's still draining, but that's just like the rest of the oil. Just clean it off a bit. Just not all slippery in the bottom of the bowl. So pretty easy. You just come down here and put the bowl back on. Here, there you go. Tighten it back up. You don't want to tighten it too much either. Oh, I think, yeah, it's good. So there we go. As long as it gets right to where you can't turn it no more, that's where you want to stop it at. You don't want to make them too tight either. Mess up the gasket. The fucking, I forgot to call the fucking swirls on the bolt. All that. So yeah, gotta clean up some fucking oil that I dropped here. We'll put dirt on it right now because of the fucking thing. So yeah, on top we're gonna get the oil in now. Alright, so I'm back. We're gonna get the oil in. I didn't have a funnel, so gotta improvise using a water bottle. So right here, this, you open this. I already tightened up the bottom. Hey, y'all saw. Put this in as a funnel. See if it screws in. Nah, it won't screw in, but all right, got the oil right here. Let's see. So this car is used 5W20. You can do 5W30. It's also fine with these cars, but I mean, better use what's recommended, you know. And these cars take the V6s take 5.9 quarts. Alright, so I barely put it in 5 quarts right now. Pretty easy, you know. Gotta get every last drop on there. And then fine, I'm gonna open the other bottle. How I said, it's only 5.9 quarts. This is 5 quarts. The other one is another quart, so that would be 6. So since it's 5.9 quarts, you're really only gonna go up to probably like right here, this line. You can top it out. I mean, you can finish it. I mean, it's better, you know. It's better to have a little more oil on the motor than less, you know. So I'm gonna open this real quick. Let's get it in. I'm just checking to see where it's at. Might just top it off, you know, because this car gets driven daily. So yeah, I'll just top it out. I'll just put the 6, you know. This car gets driven daily. It's better for it to be healthy and oiled up, lubed up, you know. There we go. And Nah, I didn't drop any oil on the fucking, on the engine bay, so that's good. Let me get a fucking napkin. Take this out. And then we put the oil cap back on. There we go. And that's pretty much it. And then right now we'll finish up. I'll show you guys how to reset the oil light too. Well, the oil light is not on, but it's still better to reset it just so, you know, just to have it reset every time you do your oil change, so everything can be up to date, everything together. So yeah, everything's done in the bottom. So I'll show you guys how to reset the light right now. All right, so I'm back. I'm gonna show you guys how to reset the light. So you're gonna press ignition 2 times without pressing the brake. You know, the car's gonna go into ignition on mode. And then you're gonna click these buttons. I was already doing it, my bad. So you're gonna go up, you're gonna click the buttons till you find vehicle info, and it's gonna be on this screen. When you go, it's gonna be on this screen. So you're gonna click the right arrow. That's coolant temp, trans temp, oil pressure, oil life. All you're gonna do is, it says right there, hold OK to reset. You're gonna press OK, and it's gonna reset. I had already done it, so yeah, that's how you do it. And then I'm gonna put everything back in the bottom, the plastic cover, and I'll show you guys that right now too. All right, so I'm back under the car. I got the plastic cover for the bottom. So it's gonna go like this. So these opens are gonna go where the boots of the axles are at. And then this front part, you're gonna fit it under here. You're gonna fit that under here. And then the back ones, those tabs are gonna go here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, nah, that's how they go. So I'm gonna show you guys right now how to put it on. Let's see. I can get it on, you know, cause it's a bitch because of the openings for the axles. My bad, it dropped. Alright, so I'm still trying to get it on. It's kind of a bitch. The fucking openings for the boots. Oh, there we go, I got it. There we go. So I'm gonna put the back ones on first. Let me see. Show you guys that. So I'm gonna put this first. I'm gonna just hand tighten it right now. I'll tighten everything up again after. And then the other one, just gonna go right here. I'm just hand tightening it right now. And then the other ones. Then those just gonna go here. These are for the front. And then the other one's gonna go here. And then I'm gonna tighten it right now with the ratch. Let's see, where's it at? Well, let's see. Oh, it's right here. So I'm gonna get the 10 mil right here. You know, keeping the things organized. It's always best. See, I'm tying it right now. Trying to get it in. Most likely probably is tight already, but still. So let me see if I can get it good. I do holding the phone and one hand working. Now I gotta do the back ones. Let's see. Just my hand. Let's see. Fuck, still nothing. Ain't tight anymore. There we go. Should be good. There we go. There, now it's all tight. It's all good now. Let me show you guys. So yeah, got it all capped back on exactly how it was. We gotta get all the old oil in the gallon. And yeah, I'll show you guys once I'm all done. So we're all done with the oil change. You know, we got the car running. Sounds great. Everything good on the dash. Everything solid. So yeah. Alright, so this is the end of the video. Alright, so just to let you guys know, I'm gonna be doing more videos on like working on cars, maybe vlogs, you know, if I'm doing some like fun shit yet. I'll record it. So probably next is gonna be the lower rear control arms for my car. So I have an E46. I'll be showing you guys the car. I'll probably put a picture of it or something. And so yeah, that's probably gonna be the next video. And then after that, we'll just some extra shit that I'll be recording. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.